Asiphinde sinibingelele sinamukele ngaphansi kwe-YouTube channel uSiba LukaZulu. Kwisifundo sethu sanamhlanje-ke sizolekelela laba abasafuna uku-aplaya abangaka-aplayi emayunivesithi kakhulukazi e-DUT. Sizobheka ukuthi si-aplaya kanjani online e-DUT. Right, into oyidinga ukuyenza udinga ukuthi ube nedatha lakho and then you open your Google Chrome or any browser that you are using. You open Google Chrome wakho lapha and then you type DUT online application and then you click search. Uzobe sowuklikha-ke leya link ebhalwe u-online application Durban University of Technology lapha phezulu, you click yona. Right, izobe seyithatha-ke sekubeka la. Right, if you've already applied mhlambe before and then you are returning to complete your application, then you click lapha already have an account. You click lapha already have an account. You click lapha to sign in and then you log in with your details. But if uzoqala njengami uku-aplaya e-DUT Durban University of Technology, you click lapha create temporal ID. You click lapha create temporal ID. If uzoqala nqa uku-aplaya, click create temporal ID. Right, citizenship South Africa, ID number, then you punch your ID number. You punch your ID number lapha. Right, title, name title, you select lapha okuhambisana nawe. First name, gama lakho lokuqala, bhala igama lakho njengoba linjalo. Middle name, uma ngabe unalo igama lesibili uyalibhala lapha. Last name, ubhala isibongo sakho lapha ku last name. Right, date of birth bazobe sebekufakela automatically njengoba usuyifakile i-ID number yakho. Email address, you also need to have an active email address to be able to apply online. Mangabe sowunayo-ke you are going to punch lapha i-email address yakho njengoba injalo. Mobile phone, ufaka your number phone. Ufaka your number phone, phone yakho tholakala kuyo. Right, bese uya lapha ku security check, then laphana you are required to type lawa ma-letters alapha kulapha kubhalwe ngokublue lapha ku-security code. Ubhala nje ama-letter labhalwe lapha njengoba enjalo, QABA76. And then once you are done, you click continue. Nangu continue lapha enzansi, click continue. Right, izobe seyikuthatha sekubeka la to confirm your details. If konke ku-right, you click for to continue. Right, an email has been successfully sent. Please make a note of your temporal. Right, masuqedile-ke lokho, they are going to send email. You have to open your emails. Right, email yakho izobe iphethe temporal access ID ne-password ozokudinga to be able to continue. And then we click lapha right. Mangabe sowunakho-ke again la uyabuya uphuncha your email address, temporal ID le bazobe beyisendile ku-email yakho. Udinga yona-ke njengamanje your temporal ID. And then i-password yakho again la bayisende kwi-email. Right, uyiphuncha njengoba injalo. And then you click OK. Right, la you are required to create i-password yakho-ke entsha ozoyikhumbula. And then you confirm lapha. Right, once you are done, you click lapha OK. And then you wait until it finishes loading. Right, it's gonna take you back la, and then once you've created lapha temporal ID, and then you have to come back and click lapha who already have an account. You click lapha already have an account lapha ngenzansi kwakhona to be able to sign in into your account. You click lapha. Right, and again la you are going to need your user ID abayisendile kwi-email yakho, and then the password that you created. And then you sign in. Right, uzobe sowulana-ke to begin your application. To apply, uklikha lapha kwi-second box lapha ethi apply for admission. You click lapha the second box, apply for admission. Right, and then lapha begin your application, you select lapha application type again, you select first time applicant, they click lapha first option, academic year 26 academic year. And then once you're done, you click lapha continue on the top corner lapha. Right, izobe seyithatha-ke seyikubeka la you read lapha Step 1 lapha you read. Once you've read laphana, you click lapha phezulu. You click lapha phezulu. Right, you confirm more details lapha if they are correct. If they are correct, again you click lapha i-arrow ekhombeka right lapha phezulu on the top corner, top right corner. You click lapha i-arrow layer. Undergraduate, right, study choices. Then now you have to select the course that you wanna study at DUT. Campus, you start by selecting a campus that you intend to study at. Faculty, you select lapha a faculty. Right, Durban. If you choose lapha kwi-campus Durban, I think inama opportunities amaningi Durban. You can select from multiple faculties. And then you select the course that you wanna do. Academic year, you select lapha full time. Right, choice 1 loyo qedile. Choice 2, you can make up to 4 choices. Right, choice 2. Right, lapha now you have to select the course that you wanna do. Right, once you are done selecting the course that you wanna do, then again you click lapha i-arrow. Right, sizobe sesila, you have to fill your address. Ufake ikheli lalapho uhlala khona. Right, you can click lapha u-address search to quick find ikheli lakho. And then you have to wait until it finishes loading. Enter, you have to enter lapha the place where you reside, and then you click search, and then you have to select lapha your address line 1. Right, once you are done, then you click again the arrow that is pointing on the right. Home address, same as mailing address, and then you click the right arrow, country code, home phone, work phone, right? If it's going to automatically fill your phone number. If mhlambe you are working, kukhona a home phone noma a work phone, you can fill lapha, but it is not compulsory to fill lapha i-home phone noma i-work phone. So if you are not working, you only use your mobile phone, then you have to click next lapha on the right pointing arrow. Demographic details, you have to fill up your demographic, marital status, married. If you are married, you have to select lapha okuhambiselana nawe. Home language, your home language, ulimi lwasekhaya. Religion, usontaphi. Do you need resident? If you need indawo yokuhlala, you click lapha. Do you require financial aid? If udinga uxhaso lwezimali. If you are a school leaver, have you applied to start? Have you applied at NSFAS? Right? If you've already applied for NSFAS, you also click lapha, and then you click on next lapha on the right pointing arrow. Next of kin, umuntu oseduzane nawe, Mrs. If it's a Mrs. And then you have to fill his or her details. A relationship, it is compulsory to select lapha with how are you related to the person. Right, once you are done, you click lapha arrow to continue. Emergency, relationship, you select lapha a relationship, how we are related, right? And then you click lapha the arrow again. Main activity, if you are employed, you select lapha. You can also add the spot lapha. But it is not compulsory to add a spot. So I'm just gonna leave it for now. Secondary education, you have to select lapha the school where you completed your matric. And then unyaka wakho wokugcina, yeah, ufunda ngawo, matric type, examination number, right? If you know your examination number, you can fill it lapha ku examination number. if applicable. Right, school subject, you select lapha ama-subject and the final mark or the final percentage that you obtained. You select ama-subject lapha obowenza and the percentage owayithola. If you are still grade 12, if mhlambe bowenza grade 12 this year, you can use your midterm result. Ama-result akho noma i-report lakho olithole phakathi nonyaka ngoJune, ungasebenzisa lona. You select wonke ama-subject obowafunda and then you also write the percentage that you obtain. You select wonke ama-subject owenza that you studied. And then if usebenzisa i-report yangoJune, you punch lapha i-percentage olitholile. But if you already have your matric certificate, then you select lapha grade 12 final, then you write ama-percentages that you got. And then once you are done, you click lapha next on the right pointing arrow, kwi-arrow lebheke ka-right, you click lapha, you click yona. If you studied at a tertiary institution, then you have to select lapha. But if awukaze, then you click next. Employment, if you were employed before that, you can add lapha with where were you employed, but if not, you just leave it and then you click next. And then now you have to upload your the certified copies of your ID and matric certificate or your grade or your June report. Lapha you have to upload lawo document, and then there are optional document that you need to upload, like your South African national ID is required. Curriculum vitae is required later. You can upload it later. It is not compulsory, but for now you have to make sure that you upload your ID, yes. You click lapho add my device, and then you go and select on your files the document that you wanna upload. Right, once you've uploaded your documents here, then you click next. Student declaration and agreement. You have to agree and accept the terms and conditions. You click accept, and then you click next. Right, if you completed correctly your application, if i-application yakho zonke izinto ufake correctly, lapha ezansi ku submit application kuzovela kuzokunikeza i-option to click lapha usubmit application if izinto zakho ufake correctly. But if kukhona la ungenzanga khona kahle, you have to click lapha uvalidate application. Click uvalidate application. Nangu lapha you click validate application to see ukuthi ikuphi la that you made an error. You click validate application, izokuvezela yona ukuthi where did you make an error, and then you have to go and rectify lelo phutha ozokulenzile. You click validate application, and then you wait. But if zonke izinto zakho ucomplete correctly, then izokunikeza i-option to click lapha usubmit application, then you are done with your application. Right, tertiary study declaration must be completed. Right, you have to I didn't complete lapha declaration, the tertiary declaration. That's why I couldn't submit my application. Right, once you are done that, then you are going to click lapha submit application. But if not, again you click lapha validate and go and check where did you make an error. Right, you can see now ukuthi lapha submit application. Now they are giving me they've gave me access to click lapha submit application because zonke izinto ngizenze kahle, no errors. Then I have to click submit application, and then I'm done.